Hello world, what is up everyone? Welcome back to today's video. First of all, I have to say thank you so much for putting up with my irregular filming schedule lately. I feel like I've been releasing a video every other week. Ideally, I would love to be putting out a video every single week, and I feel like we are very close to making that happen. I've been working on some really great things off to the side, and I can't share them yet, but I'm so excited to share them with you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. Very soon we'll be back to regular scheduled programming. But here we are. Now, recently our community has grown so much. I feel like I'm saying this all the time, and then I just reach a new benchmark and we surpass it again. Now, if you're a new subscriber to my channel, or if you're an OG member, you may have discovered my channel, or at least seen one of my many Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair skincare product reviews. Now, you guys know that here on my channel, we talk about so many different skincare products, and never have I ever mentioned a skincare product like the ANR serum, the Advanced Night Repair Serum, that has garnered such a reaction. I've heard from hundreds of you guys, maybe even thousands of you by now, that have used the Advanced Night Repair Serum and it has transformed your skin. Now, because you guys love Estee Lauder skincare so much, I've got my hands on almost all the Advanced Night Repair skincare product line. I've got a couple different Estee Lauder skincare products here, but today I thought we would just sit down, chit chat, hang out, do a little pamperation session. Of course, I'll have every Estee Lauder skincare product that I've reviewed linked in the description box down below. I do recommend that you check out all of those videos because I do a deep dive into each one of these skincare products. But today is going to be about putting all of these pieces together in a true luxury skincare routine. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss a single video. I almost just knocked an entire bowl of water off of my desk. Mild panic attack. Give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, turn on bell notifications, join this family, guys. Let's dive right into today's video, doing an entire Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair skincare routine. By the end of this video, I should look like Benjamin Button. If I could turn back time. For facial cleanser, we'll be using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam. Now, the full size of the Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam retails for $32. This is just a little deluxe mini that I picked up, actually in a discovery set. What's really great about the holidays in particular is Estee Lauder has all of these discovery sets where you can get deluxe samples of almost all of their skincare products. So some of these products are very expensive. It's a more affordable approach to trying luxury skincare products without spending the hundreds of dollars on the full-size items. Now, I will say in my personal experience, if you're new to the luxury skincare world, starting with a luxury facial cleanser is often a good way to dip your toe into the luxury skincare market without spending a fortune. Now, you definitely don't have to spend a lot on a cleanser. You can get some cleansers for, honestly, $5 or $6 if you know what you're looking for. At its base, this Estee Lauder cleanser is just a hydrating glycerin cleanser. There's nothing too fancy. In the ingredient list, there is sodium PCA, which is going to be a good humectant in the skin. There's also a little bit of algae extract, marine algae extract. However, all of the good ingredients are almost at the bottom of the list. So there's also coconut oil in here, which is not one of my favorite skincare ingredients. It tends to clog my skin and actually break me out. There's also lavender oil, again, which is not that thrilling to me. And there's also titanium dioxide. All in all, it's not a bad facial cleanser if it fits into your budget or if you really love Estee Lauder skincare. Let's rinse this off my skin and move right along. I wish you guys could reach out and feel my skin. It is so smooth. And I don't know about you guys, but I feel like it's looking brighter already. All right, now let's move right along because I don't want my skin to get too dry because we want to make sure that all of these serums penetrate deep into the skin, and that just doesn't happen on a dry skin. Now, next up is the skincare product that I have been waiting all morning to apply to my skin. I woke up and I started thinking about it and I was like, oh, today is the day. Up next, we'll be layering on the Estee Lauder Micro Essence Skin Activating Treatment Lotion. Just 5 ounces is $110 or 13.5 ounces for $200. Toners and essences are the foundation of my skincare routine. They are the first thing that I do fresh out of the shower. Because it's such a lightweight texture and a small molecule, it goes deep into the skin, and toners and essences have come so much farther than they have in the 80s, you know, when they were kind of popping off just as alcohol toners to balance your pH level. toners and essences are kind of all blurring together now, and they're adding in more powerful skincare ingredients to act as targeted skincare treatments. Now, what sets the Estee Lauder Micro Essence apart from other cheaper alternatives on the market is the fact that it's packed full of fermented ingredients, peptides, hyaluronic acid, and tons of amazing humectants. This essence contains fermented ingredients like my favorites, Bifida ferment lysate and lactobacillus ferments. Now, these are going to, I should say, Estee Lauder recommends that you use a cotton pad to apply their first treatment essence. I just like to apply them right to the hand and press them. Oh my goodness. When are they going to invent YouTube where you guys can feel what I'm feeling? I'm just going to apply this all over the skin and press it into the skin. Adding ferments into your skincare routine really can transform your whole skin, improve your skin microbiome. They increase antioxidants, they soothe the skin, they hydrate the skin, they make your skin smoother. The first treatment essence is really going to target blemishes, uneven skin tone, and just start to give you that flawless base and really help your skin prepare to absorb all of the serums that we're about to layer on. I mean, after that first treatment essence, my skin is ready. I'm loving today, you guys. I hope you're pampering yourself along with me. I hope you're doing a face mask, a skincare routine. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you do when you watch my videos? I love to ask this question because I love to hear. I hear from so many of you guys telling me some of you watch me while you fall asleep. Some of you watch while I do the dishes. Let me know in the comments down below. All right, now let's move right along with this pamperation session. Up next, of course, is the iconic Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. Now, you guys, I just reviewed the brand new formula of the Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex by Estee Lauder. Like I said, I'll have that video linked down below. It is $105 for 1.7 ounces, and generally I don't love skincare products that hit the $100 mark. I think, okay, you can obviously find alternative dupes, and I should say this about all the skincare products here today. Never feel pressured to buy luxury skincare. Just doing a quick Google search or even finding some videos on my channel, I'll have them linked down below. I've talked about ways to find alternative dupes to luxury skincare. So if you can't afford luxury skincare or you just don't want to, never feel that pressure to spend your hard-earned money. There's always alternative dupes. Now, of course, the Advanced Night Repair Serum is for protecting, replenishing, hydrating, soothing the skin, and it's the star of the entire Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair line. Just like the first treatment essence, this serum also contains fermented ingredients, lactobacillus ferment, as well as a Bifida ferment lysate. Like we just talked about, there's peptides in here, there's sodium hyaluronate, it's fragrance-free, it's essential oil-free. This is one of the most soothing and hydrating serums I have ever used, and that's a really bold statement. Now, I am going to take a nice big dropper full of the ANR serum because honestly, why not? Now, this serum just glides right over the skin. I mean, look at this. Look at the hydration. You guys can already see this. The serum contains caffeine, tripeptide 32, squalane, which is going to be so hydrating, sodium hyaluronate. Now, immediately after using the ANR serum, you guys can see that my skin is so much more hydrated. It is so bouncy, and all of those humectants have just sucked the water right into my skin, plumped it up. Next, we're adding Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. Now, it's no surprise that the Intense Reset Concentrate is also very expensive. For 0.67 of an ounce, so less than 1 ounce, is $82. This is actually more expensive than the ANR serum itself. Now, you might be asking what's the difference between a concentrate and the serum. A concentrate is just what it sounds like. It is a more concentrated version of a serum. Now, you can add this into your moisturizer itself as a boost. You can layer it on top of a serum. You can mix it in with the serum. A concentrate is really just an extra targeted skincare treatment. The Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate is really targeted toward anti-aging, hydrating, and protecting the skin, especially while you're sleeping. Now, the Intense Reset Concentrate also contains tripeptide 32, whey protein, lactose protein. Of course, these things are going to help to improve skin tone and texture. There's also sodium hyaluronate cross-polymer, sodium hyaluronate, hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate. So all of these skincare ingredients are really going to bind to water and bring moisture into the skin, making it look more plump, youthful, full, dewy. I mean, all of my favorite things. Now, of course, the Intense Reset Concentrate also contains lactobacillus ferment, my favorite ferment. There's also vitamin C and salicylic acid. So while you're sleeping, this is going to help to chemically exfoliate some of the skin very gently off your face. So when you wake up in the morning, your skin feels so smooth, and I just find that the intense Reset Concentrate gives my skin some type of like, I don't know, crazy luminosity. I mean, I'm just looking in the viewfinder here, like, look at this. What magic is this? Now for under eyes, we're going to be using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharge Complex Synchronized Recovery. Now of course you guys know that eye creams are not a necessity in your skincare routine. You can just use your everyday moisturizer under your eye area. If it's gentle enough to put all over your skin, it's gentle enough to put under your eyes, and vice versa. The only time that I recommend specifically using an under eye cream is if you want some type of illumination under the eye. If you suffer from darkness or circles, using an eye cream targeted for darkness under the eye often contains little mica flecks or little particles that will reflect light off the skin under the eye, so giving you the illusion of a lighter under eye. Now it definitely doesn't make your dark under eyes go away, but it can help with the illusion of brightening the under eye. Now Estee Lauder also has specific under eye serums, and I don't have those here, but it's the Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix Synchronized Recovery, as well as the Advanced Night Repair Eye Serum Synchronized Complex Recovery 2. Now unfortunately I haven't tried these two products. If you have, let me know in the comments down below. Now you only really need to take a very small amount of the under eye cream, and I'm just going to dot it right under the eye here. Now if you've seen my review of the Eye Supercharge Complex, you guys already know the texture of this under eye cream feels like you have warm fingers on a stick of butter on a hot afternoon outside at a picnic in the sun. The feeling of applying this under eye cream is honestly one of the most strange experiences I've ever felt applying a skincare product. Ever. The immediate texture is so silky smooth. It definitely has that dimethicone feeling, and that has a lot to do with the texture enhancers in the under eye cream itself, which don't necessarily have any long-term benefits for the under eye area, but immediately it makes the application so pleasurable that I'll take it. Although it is very important for me to say again that you definitely don't need an eye cream in your skincare routine, but if you're an eye cream lover, if it fits in your budget, this is a really nice one. Now for moisturizer, we'll be using the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Night Intensive Restorative Cream. Now because this is such a thick night cream, you definitely don't need to take too much. The Revitalizing Supreme Plus Night contains niacinamide, which of course is great for strengthening the skin's barrier, also at reducing redness and soothing the skin. It also contains soybean oil, grapeseed oil, whey protein, sodium hyaluronate. All of these things are going to add so much moisture into the skin. What I really like about the grapeseed oil is I find that it's really hydrating. It really helps to hold in that moisture and hold in all of the humectants that you've put on the skin, kind of sealing it all in. There's avocado oil, so if you are prone to skin breakouts, I may approach this overnight cream with caution. It is a very heavy cream, but if you're someone with a dry skin, especially going into the winter, the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Night is such a delicious hydrating overnight cream. Of all the surprising things that happened in 2020, surprisingly, one of the weirdest is that I've fallen in love with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair skincare line and Estee Lauder skincare products. Boo, and here's your special treat for sticking around until the very end. If you made it to the end of today's video, you know that Romeo and I love and appreciate you so much. If you've tried the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex before, let me know in the comments down below, or any other Estee Lauder skincare product. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.